Your family's safety depends on what's hidden inside your walls. Introducing RR Kabel Superex Green, wiring that's built to protect what matters most. Inside every Superex Green wire is 100% pure electrolytic copper with heavy-duty and energy-efficient Class 2 conductor. What does that mean for you? Superex Green delivers better conductivity, minimizing energy waste and delivering real savings on your electricity bill. Here's something remarkable. Superex Green is completely free from 245 plus harmful chemicals. A completely green choice, which is kind to the planet. Its heat guard technology keeps your home protected across extreme temperatures from -15 to +85 degrees Celsius. Your power flow stays stable and uninterrupted in every climate. Superex Green's HRFR insulation delivers exceptional heat resistance and flame retardance properties, restricting fire hazard and its propagation. Whether it's powering your children's study room, keeping your kitchen running, or cooling your family spaces, Superex Green handles every electrical need with confidence. Certified under REACH, ROHS, CE and CPR compliance, meeting the strictest safety standards, RR Kabel Superex Green combines energy-saving conductor construction with advanced insulation technology while being completely sustainable and eco-friendly. For your home's every electrical need, Superex Green. It's truly green.